How do you know if the iPad is charging? So there are more ways to find out about it and track that information. Well, if you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Okay, so the first way is obviously when you connect it to the power. Just pay attention to the top right corner where you can see the little battery icon, and you perhaps need to zoom in on it or focus on it, like to pay attention to the icon and if it changes in any way. Because naturally, when you connect to the power, you'll see that it changes to the charging. You might also get like a charging animation, and you know for a fact that it is being charged. Then we also have some other ways to do it, like we have the different kinds of battery widgets, which can be added to the home screen or even in this side panel. And this also allows you to see if the iPad is under the power or not. So that's also a really nice way to keep track of that. But I still believe that the best way would be to go to the settings and just go to the battery section where you can see all of the detailed information about the current battery status and if it's charging or how fast or how quickly it depleted, and you can see all of the data about it. So I think that it's actually the best way to track the current battery usage. So that's definitely something that you can check out right here. When it comes to the iPad, which has like a black screen and you connect it to the power, well, you should know that it's charging when the Apple logo shows up after some time. And if you, for example, have an iPad plugged to the wall for like 3 hours or so and then nothing happens, then you know for a fact that the iPad is not charging and that there is something wrong with it. But that's a side point. I hope I was able to explain the important part. If you have some more questions about this topic, let me know about that below in the comments. But for now, that's it, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos and tutorials like this one.